Welcome to our tour of the world's most extravagant residences, where luxury knows no bounds and price tags reach astronomical heights. Let's dive into these jaw-dropping properties that redefine the meaning of home sweet home. First stop, Buckingham Palace, the granddaddy of all fancy houses. Valued at a staggering $4.9 billion, this isn't just any old castle. It's the official residence of the British monarch. Calling it a house is like calling the Pacific Ocean a puddle. With 775 rooms, including 52 royal and guest bedrooms and 78 bathrooms, you might need a GPS to find your way to dinner. The palace boasts 19 staterooms where world leaders gather and historic decisions are made. It's like your high school gym, but with more gold leaf and fewer dodgeballs. So next time you're feeling fancy because you got a new throw pillow, remember Buckingham Palace, where even the doorknobs cost more than your car. Now let's jet over to Mumbai, India, where we find Antilia, the 27-story skyscraper that Mukesh Ambani calls home. Valued at a cool $1 billion, this place isn't just a house, it's a vertical city. Antilia has 3 helipads because, let's face it, one is never enough when you're this rich. It's like having 3 TV remotes. You always know where at least one of them is. Need to catch the latest Bollywood blockbuster? No problem. There's a 50-seat movie theater inside. And here's where it gets wild. Antilia has 6 floors dedicated just to parking cars. 6 whole floors. It's like a multi-story parking garage, but instead of beat-up sedans, it's filled with Lamborghinis and Rolls-Royces. Pack your bags, folks. We're off to the French Riviera to check out Villa Leopolda. Priced at a whopping $750 million, this estate makes most lottery jackpots look like pocket change. Spanning 18 acres, Villa Leopolda is practically its own country. Once owned by King Leopold II of Belgium, it's now a testament to French Riviera luxury. The villa boasts a swimming pool so large you might mistake it for a small lake. And get this, the gardens are so vast they require a team of gardeners to maintain them. That's not a gardening team, that's a small army armed with pruning shears and weed whackers. Next on our tour is Villa Les Cèdres, nestled in the oh-so-humble town of Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. Valued at $450 million, it's still a jaw-dropping price tag. Built in 1830, this mansion screams old money louder than a Newport socialite at a polo match. One of the villa's standout features is its Olympic-sized swimming pool. Because why swim in anything less when you're worth hundreds of millions? But hold on to your gardening gloves, because this next bit is wild. The gardens of Villa Les Cèdres are home to around 15,000 plants. It's like having your own private Eden, complete with every type of flora you can imagine, and probably a few you can't. All right, time to pop over to Théoule-sur-Mer, near Cannes, where we find Le Palais Boulle, affectionately known as the Bubble Palace. Priced at $390 million, this place looks like it was designed by aliens with a flair for the dramatic. Created by architect Antti Lovag, who decided that straight lines were for squares. Le Palais Boulle is what you'd get if you asked a 5-year-old to design a house after a bubble bath and a sugar rush. This architectural fever dream includes 10 suites, each one as round as the bubbles it's named after. Forget about traditional bedrooms. Here, you get to sleep in a pod that looks like it could detach and blast off into space at any moment. And just in case you get bored of swimming in one of the 3 pools, you can always host your private concert in the 500-seat amphitheater. And if that's not enough, the panoramic views of the Mediterranean will make you feel like you're floating on water. The interior is a mix of avant-garde art and futuristic design, giving you the sensation of living in an otherworldly museum. No wonder it's been a playground for the rich and famous. Even hosting fashion shows for the likes of Dior, Le Palais Boulle is more than just a house. It's a statement piece that defies convention and embraces the extraordinary. With every curve and contour, it challenges the very notion of architecture, making it one of the most iconic and expensive properties on the French Riviera. Next, let's glide over to Monaco, where we find the jaw-dropping Odeon Tower penthouse. This slice of heaven in the sky is valued at a cool $330 million. Perched atop the Odeon Tower, this penthouse offers views that will make your Instagram followers weep with envy. It's so high up you might need an oxygen mask just to check the mail. One of the standout features is the private infinity pool with its water slide. It's not just any pool. It's a pool that makes you feel like you're swimming on top of the world. Imagine doing laps while overlooking the entire Principality of Monaco. It's like being a fish in the world's fanciest fishbowl. Hold on to your wallets because we're heading to Bel Air, Los Angeles, to gawk at the One. This mega mansion is currently valued at a staggering $295 million. That's not a typo, it's the price of this colossal creation. With 21 bedrooms and 42 bathrooms, you could host a different dinner party in a new room every night for 3 weeks straight. But wait, there's more! The One comes with its nightclub, wellness spa, home theater, bowling alley, and a massive wine cellar. That's enough vino to keep you tipsy for several lifetimes. And for car lovers, there's a multi-car garage. It's not just a garage, it's a showroom for your fleet of luxury vehicles. The sprawling estate also boasts an infinity pool with breathtaking views of the city and the ocean, creating the perfect backdrop for any lavish event. With its over-the-top amenities and jaw-dropping size, the One redefines what it means to live in ultimate luxury. Next up on our tour is 4 Fairfield Pond, the humble abode of Ira Rennert. Located in the oh-so-modest Hamptons, New York, this estate sprawls across 63 acres. Valued at a cool $248 million, 4 Fairfield Pond makes most mansions look like studio apartments. With 29 bedrooms and 39 bathrooms, it's less of a home and more of a small hotel. But the real kicker? This place has its power plant. Yes, you heard that right, a private power plant. Because when you're this wealthy, even your electricity needs to be bespoke. Owned by Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison, our next stop is an estate in Woodside, California. That's what happens when a tech billionaire decides to play real-life SimCity. Valued at $200 million, the Ellison estate spans 23 acres and is designed in the style of a 16th century Japanese emperor's palace. Why settle for a regular mansion when you can have your slice of feudal Japan in Silicon Valley? Last, but certainly not least on our tour, is the Palazzo d'Amore, located in the heart of Beverly Hills. Priced at $195 million, it's practically a steal compared to some of the other properties on our list. This Mediterranean-style villa spans 53,000 square feet, which is roughly the size of a small shopping mall. The estate boasts a reflecting pool and fountain. It's like having your version of the Trevi Fountain, minus the tourists throwing coins and making wishes. But hold on to your wine glasses because this next bit is wild. The Palazzo d'Amore has its vineyard. Yes, you heard that right. A private vineyard in Beverly Hills. It produces hundreds of cases of wine each year. And there you have it. The most expensive houses in the world, each one more stunning and luxurious than the last. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible properties, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Let us know in the comments which house amazed you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.